Hello, welcome to Tricky IELTS. I'm sure you'll be fine. In this video, I'll share 9 reasons due to which mostly students get 5 or 5.5 band in IELTS writing module and they are unable to get desired band. First, I'll share reasons, then I'll suggest solutions which will enable you to score higher band in IELTS writing module. Stay here and watch this video till the end. First, I'll share reasons. So the first reason which I'm going to share with you is many students do not plan essay due to which they use memorized phrases and wrong collocations. They start writing impulsively without proper preparation. They repeat words, phrases and sentence structures which affect their score optimally. They get fewer marks in grammar department because they completely ignore proofreading, spelling errors and grammatical mistakes. Some students do write less than 250 or 150 words, means they just write underline. Their essay, task 1 and task 2 are underlined, due to which they get punishment in terms of band. Handwriting must be legible. Every letter should be legible to read, which is more than essential. Means you should write maximum 6 words in one line and minimum 5 words in one line, and your writing style should be legible. In conclusion, they introduce new ideas which affect their score. It is more than essential to write simple, compound and complex sentences, where most individuals write simple sentences, due to which they fail to score higher. Since many of them do not plan their essay introduction and conclusion, which means will fetch a lower band score. Means their introduction and conclusion there is completely difference. So these are the 9 possible reasons due to which students get less band in IELTS writing module. I'll just share means solutions, and I'll just suggest you that how you can score higher in IELTS writing module. Keep in mind that writing module irritates students more as compared to the rest. Means other modules do not irritate that much as writing module do irritate students. So what you'll have to do, read the question carefully and break it into parts in order to paraphrase easily as well as fulfill the requirement of the question. It is more than essential to elaborate ideas in an engaging way with the help of relevant example to compel the examiner for higher band. Effective writers create flow for readers, where you have to do the same. You ought to arrange your ideas in a coherent and logical way. The correct use of language and complex sentence structure with rich lexical resources will help you to score higher. Reread your essay to find out mistakes, because you will get punishment in terms of band with the presence of mistakes. Prepare yourself well before the real exam. Enhance your lexical resources and grammar optimally for the sake of higher band. So it's your duty means to work on these areas which I have pointed out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.